Hi, welcome to RapidDirect. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a CNC quote online quick and easy. First, head over to our RapidDirect online platform. Once you're logged in, you can upload your CAD files. Our secure system accepts a variety of formats like STEP, STP, IGS, IGES, and more. You can even upload multiple files at once. Note, each file should be under 15 megabytes. If your files are larger, just reach out to your sales engineer for help. After uploading, click the Configure button to open the part configuration panel. Here you can configure the part's process, material, finish, roughness, and quantity. We offer hundreds of metal and plastic materials, and you can also select others for custom materials. For finishes, choose from physical or chemical treatments and adjust roughness as needed. Once you enter the quantity, you will automatically get the price for different lead times in seconds. To clearly define your part requirements, we've added extra options. Cosmetic parts, do you need a high-quality finish? Tolerance, the default tolerance is ISO 2768M, but you can select tighter or custom tolerances. Thread, tapped holes, inserts, does your part design include this? Part marking, do you need it on your parts? Inspection reports, we offer CMM inspection reports, third-party material certification, assembly test, salt spray, and pressure test for your choice. Keep in mind, if you add requirements that can't be automatically calculated, like part marking, it will trigger a manual quote. Our engineers will review your request and submit a quote within 24 hours. Once all your details are set, go back to the quotes page. On the right, you will see a summary of the cost. Select your shipping method, edit your address if needed, and now you can go to the payment process. Click the checkout button and you will go to the checkout page. Here we offer 3 payment methods: PayPal, credit card, or bank transfer, and if you have a coupon, you can use it there. And that's what I wanted to show you today. At RapidDirect, you can get a CNC quote and place your order quickly and easy. See you next time!